So first there was the like, and now there's the Libra. So the Libra is a new cryptocurrency from Facebook, and although it's also a crypto coin, the Libra, it's more compared to gold or the dollar or the yen or the euro compared to the regular Bitcoin we know from a couple of years ago, which went through the roof. So first things first, as of right now the Libra is not yet available. It will be available next year in 2020, so you can't invest yet. But I have invested in Bitcoin in the past. And I gotta say, I invested a bit too late, but right now it's getting a bit better, as you can see. Not that great, but hey. So that way I know a bit about Bitcoin. I'm not going to say I know a lot about it, but I know a bit about it. And there's a big difference between the Bitcoin, which is very unstable. It goes up 5 times in a day and it goes down 10 times in a day. I don't know, like plus 20%, minus 50%, all that. It's crazy, the Bitcoin. How it speculates, but the coin from Facebook, that's not the same. As said, the Libra will be more comparable to money or to gold, which means that it will be way more stable because it will, or it can be used as a real currency. And currencies don't tend to go up or down a lot, only if there are like economic crises or something like that, but that's not the case right now, so it should be pretty stable. Besides that, Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, Uber and some other companies have invested each $10 million in the new coin. So that means that that the new coin will have a lot of partners to work with from the start. So all these people like Uber, like MasterCard, like Facebook itself of course, will be available to use the new coin as a currency. So I think the Libra will be very easily available for anyone, and you just have to trade in some euros or some dollars for some Libra, which will be very safe online, they say. You can use to buy other things on Facebook, and there also won't be a Facebook charge when you buy something with Libra. It will also be available to send money to other people over WhatsApp, which will be a big one, I think. So it will also be way easier to transfer money to people from abroad if you have family abroad or something, which can be a hassle right now with other currencies and all that. And your wallet, your digital wallet, will be called Calibra. So probably in the future when you do Facebook ads, for example, you'll also have to pay with the Libra. Not from the start, I think, not to scare anyone, but I think they'll just roll it out so that you'll have to pay with the Libra. So one way or another, I think this coin will have a lot of success. Definitely from the start. Is this something you have to invest in? I don't know. Maybe if you really are an investor from the start and then hope it goes up on the long term, that should be a good idea, but it's not going to be like Bitcoin, like plus 50% in 2 days or something like that. No, it's probably not going to be like that. Okay, that's maybe overreacted, but it will be more stable than the Bitcoin because they want to make it a real currency, like a worldwide currency, like the dollar, like the euro, like the yen and all those other currencies. It's a great idea if they keep the privacy okay. Not like from last year, no. If they keep the privacy okay, if they don't do things we don't know and all that, which they probably will do, then it's all okay for me. But do we need another cryptocurrency? We'll see. We'll see what it gives. It's only for next year, but right now it's good to read a little bit about it, watch some things about it to see if you should invest or not. In my opinion, I think I'm going to invest a little bit just to be an owner of the cryptocurrency. And if you have invested in it, you can even use it on the long term if you would want to. So it shouldn't be all that of a bad idea. Right, I'll see you tomorrow.